Hey guys, on Small, I'm looking for stuff and kind of clothes for more for my stuff. So for now, I'm just looking around. I wasn't supposed to go there, bro. Go there. Let's see. Why are these guys here? Well, these are really cute. The little butterfly. And just, yeah. All the stuff that I needed. I already have stuff at home. Well, at the home designer thing. At the home designer. I just needed the soy milk because I don't know. I just need to get the clothes because I want them to have more clothes. And then when she said she... Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm upstairs. I might actually do a different fridge. I don't care if there's food on top. Because I want a fridge that has, that has, what is it called? Oh, that's our freezer. This one has a refrigerator and has a lot of storage. But I don't want it. I could do dark theme. Plus this one has, no. I'm sorry if I'm like declining. Wait, I've never seen this one. Okay, I thought you could not open it for a second, but yes, you can. So, let's see the fridges that I want. Number 1. Number 2. That will like fit the design. Kind of. So, number 1. Number 2 and number 3. Look at the design. It's really cute and really, yeah, thing. Number 1. Number 1. Number 2. I think I'm gonna go with number 1. Nah, I'm just going to do. Okay. Now first are the drinks. Wait, does these disappear? Of course they do. So, first thing we're gonna put some water. I mean, not water. Put down here. I want to put some drinks down here. But first, I need to get a box so I can actually put it. Yeah, we can use this, I guess. Not really a good one, but it works, I guess. Now, and in it, we're gonna put, guess, I'll just show you guys. We're gonna put, where is it? Juice boxes. Oh wait, never mind, guys. Yeah, we're just gonna put that. And moving on to the fridge. Yeah, the fridge. In the fridge, we're gonna put the drinks. Are going to be. Let's just put that down there, because why not? Are gonna be like good drinks. So first, we gotta put milk, y'all. Where's the milk? Okay. Is soy milk like regular milk? It is, but it has green, I think, or like nature, more like darker, more lighter, whatever. I can skip this, whatever. Bro, I gotta go to the market soon. You know why? Because I don't have no, other drinks or whatever. The other, yeah. So, fruits can be out down here. Like, a good juicy stuff can be down here. That's, like, good and juicy. Some lime. Some peaches. Avocados are gonna stay. Of course, we need this. Avocados. Of course, we need avocados, guys. Avocados. I love avocados. It's like my favorite fruit or vegetable. Oh, now that's just now. Oh, now that just looks creepy, bro. So first we start on the big things, like this. Watermelons. Now we're gonna go on the juicy parts. That we need limes and lemons. We need avocados. Okay, not to be rude, but what is this? Do we just eat it? You just eat it like that. Oh my god. Mangoes, mushrooms. Now on the top, we need drinks and good stuff. Sorry if it's not looking good. I'm gonna put homemade things, guys. I don't really like the mushrooms here. Grapes. Now for the downstairs. On the freezer. Hold up, guys. Hold up. Gotta check outside really quick. You cannot be checking outside when it's literally 7:40 a.m. It's already sunny. Science. In a way, she's Shoshi. I forgot the blueberries. Wait, oh. I guess Juice can stay, since Juice is a type. Seven. And we just put that in the fridge. We put this. And we put corn. And guys, I think that's all for the fridge today. I'm gonna try to find more stuff. But right now I cannot find it. So I'm gonna add a few more stuff. And then I'll go. And that's all, guys. Hope you guys like the video so far. And now time to put the clothes. She already has this. I'll put something that I don't want. Wait, no. Leave that. the clothes that they already have, I have to, like, you know, change them. Or I didn't even go anywhere. I have to leave. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Until... I have to hurry, hurry, hurry. Okay, did it. Also, I think the clothes are gone. Oh, never mind, they're right here. After I'm all done putting the stuff back in, yeah, I'm gonna end the video. And when I end the video, I hope you guys have like an amazing day. Oh, here's the kid. Girl. Okay. Found it. Go look at her. Okay, guys. Hold up. Okay, I can do something right now. Hold up. Where is it? Where is it? I can't find it. Oh my god. I want to find it, but I can't find it. Okay, guys. I'll be back. Really?